Vidi, gotovo je prvo četvrtfinale, možda zvuči nestvarno rezultat, 22:4, ekipa Vijene, branilac titule na našim turnirima, dolazi do pobjede, ulazi u polufinale pojačane legendom basketa Quincyjem Dixem, a mi smo domaćini naših prijatelja, kog je sa moje desne strane, držat ćemo intervju na engleskom, on my right side, it's one and only Fabio Söhnel. Fabio, again for the fourth time, herzlichen Glückwunsch zum Sieg. Nice to have you again in Belgrade. Tell me a little bit about tournament, but you played, I think this is the same experience. What's your opinion on your team? I think you are with Quincy even better. He is an amazing player. What do you think that will happen on this tournament?
Well, yeah, there's different constellations in the team we have, and we got to be good with every constellation we have. We're getting better every week. I mean, we practice a lot. It's hard weeks here in Serbia, working out with coach. But yeah, it gets better every week. I think this is a great week for us. Good chance to play actually on the weekends. So it's looking good, man. I'm confident. We're getting to know each other better. So I hope it gets better next week as well.
Yeah, but can you tell me, you're preparing, you're preparing for the Olympics, but you're preparing for tournament in Spain, I think.
Exactly.
How is that going?
Well, it's Super League in Spain. We'll just be there for 8 days, but it's 3 tournaments. And it's a good opportunity to prepare for the OQTs, Olympic qualifiers, and just to get as many games as possible together. You know, in 3x3, it's really impossible to just simulate everything in practice. So it's important to actually play tournaments. That's why we're here every weekend. And yeah, Spain is a good opportunity for that.
Nice to have you, Fabio.
Thank you,
It's
man.
always a privilege to have Team Vienna. It was Fabio Söhnel again. Team Vienna is on the semifinals ili polufinale, još jedno lagano za ekipu Vijene. Nas, poštovani gledalci, očekuje drugi meč četvrtfinala, prijatelji iz Singapura, ekipa SG Lionsa protiv ekipe Banana.
Kraju do ofenzivnog skoka. Young. Pravila.
Vas u polufinalu. Sjajne partije ste